Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. You're watching BKC Cooks. Today I'm doing my very first cook on the Louisiana Grills LG 1000 Black Label Series. Y'all, we're getting right into this thing, man. There's no point in wasting time. I got a nice rack of ribs. We'll see what this thing does. Let's get it. All right, let's get this thing rocking, man. Power this up. And we're gonna set it for 250. And that's it. Before you know it, we'll have some good smoke coming out of here. This thing does not take long to get up to temperature. It's one of the things I really like about it. From the burn-in that I did, it got up to temperature really fast. I already hear pellets dropping. Not sure if y'all can hear that in the video yet or not, but I'm excited for this first cook, man. So once this thing gets up to temp, we'll get those ribs on and we'll get rocking. All right, our grill is up to temp. Again, I got my slab of ribs. We're gonna season these up. I'm using Texas rib grind. This is by my man Bill Purvis. Bill actually gave me this rub to use. This is my first time trying it, so shout out to Bill, all the folks over there at Chicken Fried Barbecue. If you don't know Bill Purvis, he is a champion pit master. He's won more championships than man, more than I can even describe. But super cool cat, and I'm gonna be honest, man, I think he has the best labeling and packaging in the game. I don't know, it's just something about his labeling is just clean and efficient and sleek to me. I don't know, it speaks to me. But we're gonna try this rub for the first time. Again, shout out Bill. We're gonna get this on here, see how it goes. We'll be grilling, smoking, all the above. So I like the size of everything in this rub already, I can tell you that much. It's gonna give nice feel, nice crunch. In barbecue in particular, I like when the grind is larger. To me, it helps you season better, more efficiently, and more accurately. So I want a healthy amount of seasoning on here. We'll flip this over, get the other side done. All right, y'all, I like the way this rub is looking. If you want to check this out, get some for yourself, you can go to chickenfriedbbq.com. Support my man Bill. Looks like he's a good dude, makes good stuff, and again, he is a champion of champions. So these are all seasoned up, man. I'm going to pat this in, and we'll get these on the smoker. Like that little move, that way I don't waste any of my seasoning. So yeah, first cook on this one, y'all. As y'all can see, this is nice and new. We're gonna put this dead center on the bottom rack. Perfect. Lid down. I'm gonna check this in about 2 hours. Normally I would check it sooner than that, but I wanna see what this thing is gonna do. And I'm confident it's gonna cook well because my other Louisiana grill, pellet smoker, it just gets it done. So we'll be back in 2 hours. All right, so I had a little bit of a hiccup, man. I had to run out and I was out longer than I expected. So these ribs have been on 3 hours. I have not looked at them, so we're gonna pop the lid and see what they're looking like. I hear them sizzling, but I'm optimistic. All right, let's take a look here. Oh yeah, those are looking fine. Matter of fact, let's get in there for a closer look. Yeah, those look good. There's a nice pullback on those bones. I like the way that seasoning is looking. All right. So I'm happy with the color. I think I'm gonna wrap these. Louisiana's putting in work. So I like the color on these, but they are not flexing just yet. So that's why I'm gonna wrap these. Feeding my family today. They like them pretty tender. My aim is to get them to be not fall off the bone, but just bite through tender. And I'm gonna hit it with some pats of butter. Just to keep things groovy. Back on for an hour. I'm gonna crank up to 275. And that's that. We'll be back in an hour. All right, I am happy with this slab, y'all. The pullback on the bones is really, really nice. I'm digging the color. As you can see, they are juicy, they're not dry. They smell amazing. It's time to slice this thing up, man. All right, got my Nomad Chef's knife from the Cooking Guild. If you're interested in these knives, they're great. I really enjoy using them. They're beautiful. I'll leave the link in the description so you can pick up one of your own. I'm gonna go right in the middle here. That looks like the rib for me. Yeah, that's a beautiful looking rib. All right, y'all, look at that rib. Got a beautiful smoke ring. It's juicy. It smells amazing. As you can see, it is not falling off the bone. Let's see how it bites. Clean through. Juicy and tender. That rub is really good. Really, really good. Shout out to Chicken Fried Barbecue with my man Bill Purvis. That rub is dynamite. Yeah, I gotta tell you, the smoke flavor on this is really, really good. These were cooked perfectly. Yeah, that Black Label Series 1000, that's a bad boy. I'll be using that grill again and again. For the first cook, I gotta say 10 out of 10. Super thumbs up. Check out Louisiana Grills and get one of your own. Thank you to my friends over there at Louisiana Grills for sending that out. Really enjoyed doing this cooking. I'm gonna enjoy many, many more. But y'all, I'm gonna go finish this rib. That's gonna do it for this one. Appreciate y'all watching. And again, smash all those buttons they got. Subscribe, like, notify. Whatever they got, I need you to smash it. All that stuff really helps me out. Check out my brothers and myself over at Black Smoke Barbecue. That's our YouTube channel where we have an amazing podcast with amazing guests. Big names and you don't want to miss them. So check out Black Smoke Barbecue. I'll leave the link in the description for that as well. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. That's a good ass rib.